Hello, welcome to our 1-minute videos here on Facebook. Today we're looking at the Armour All Caravan Rubber Seal Silicone Wipes. Quite simply, it says what it says on the tin. You take these wipes and you wipe the rubber outer seals of your Caravan with them, and it will stop them drying out and cracking. Let's take a close look at how you use them. So taking one of the wipes, there are a total of 24 to each can. You just wipe round the outer rubber, coating it in the silicone that's impregnated into the wipe. And this will keep your rubbers nice and supple and stop them from cracking. They're about £4 to £5 on Amazon, so check them out and keep your rubbers nice and supple. Bye for now.